Believers! Welcome to our first episode of Mind's Eye podcast series, crafting reality through visualizations. I'm your host, Leroy Glover, here to guide you on a transformative journey where the seeds of your imagination bloom into the flowers of your reality. Today, we plant those seeds with foundations of positive visualization. So, let's open the gates of a world where your thoughts wield the brush that paints the canvas of your life. Have you ever considered the power behind a picture formed in your mind? Visualization is more than a whisper in your daydreams. It's a dialogue with the universe, a process where the mind's eye, the sacred sanctuary of your imagination, shapes the architecture of your future. It's a technique embraced by world-class athletes, pioneering entrepreneurs, renowned artists, and individuals who triumph in their pursuit. Why? Because it works. And today we're going to learn how to harness this power for yourself. Let's begin by uncovering a simple yet profound truth. The mind often can't distinguish between what vividly imagined and what tangibly present. Every scenario, every success you visualize carves out neutral pathways and neural pathways, setting the stage for your actions and ultimately your triumphs. It's time to sharpen the focus of your mind's eye. If it's safe to do so, I invite you to close your eyes. Envision a place where you feel completely at peace. Paint the scene with a vibrant detail. The hue of the sky, the whisper of the wind, the fragrance that lingers in the air. Hold this image, feel it, let it become as real as breathing air. This vivid sensation is the essence of visualization prowess. For today's practice, picture a simple object, let's say an apple. Observe its glossy red skin, the cool touch, its crisp texture. Now, imagine taking a bite. Taste its tarty sweetness. Hear the crunch. Spend a few minutes after this podcast perfecting this image in your mind. The more vividly you can sense it, the more vividly your mind's eye is becoming trained. As we conclude episode 1, remember the keystone of positive visualization is clarity, consistency, and conviction. Weave these practices into the fabric of your daily life and watch as the universe starts to shift your dreams into the tapestries of your day. Thank you for tuning in to the Mind's Eyes podcast. Join me next time as we delve deeper into the power of imagination in episode 2, crafting your vision. Until then, keep your mind's eye open and focused. May your visions guide you to your grandest life.